Unveiling the Beauty of Dawn Light, a guide to understanding and using this lyrical English phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the layers of meaning behind the beautiful English phrase, dawn light. Whether you're a writer, a poet, or someone who's just passionate about the English language, this video is going to illuminate this expression for you. So, let's brighten our understanding as the dawn light does with the morning sky. The phrase, dawn light, is a poetic way of describing the first light of day. But what exactly does it entail? Dawn refers to the time of day when the sun rises above the horizon and starts to illuminate the sky. It's the transition from night to day, the beginning of something new. The word, light, in this context signifies the illumination that comes with the dawn. When we combine the two words, dawn light captures that magical moment when the night's darkness is gently pushed away by the soft glow of the sunrise. In literature and everyday speech, dawn light often symbolizes new beginnings and hope. It represents the idea that after every dark night, there is a bright morning to look forward to. For English learners, understanding such symbolism can add depth to their comprehension and enable them to appreciate English literature and poetry more deeply. Now, let's look at how to use dawn light in a sentence. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literal use: she woke up early to watch the dawn light spill across the meadows. Metaphorical use: after years of struggle, the success felt like dawn light finally breaking through the long night of efforts. The phrase, dawn light, can also be part of other expressions. For example, the first light of dawn, emphasizing the very beginning of dawn. The light of dawn can be used interchangeably with dawn light. Dawn's early light, often used to describe the light that appears shortly after the night ends, particularly known from the American national anthem. Thank you for watching. I hope this exploration of the phrase, dawn light, has not only enlightened your vocabulary but also inspired you to see the beauty in the English language. Remember, every new phrase you learn is like a new dawn of understanding in your language journey. Stay curious, and I'll see you in our next video.